Inc. magazine recently ranked SCW as one of the fastest growing companies in the United States. In celebration of getting that award, we wanted to talk a little bit about how we got here and the values that inspire us. When I originally came on with SCW as a minority shareholder, quickly we discovered that the majority shareholder was not treating customers the way that they should be treated. He quickly left the company and we decided to turn it around and turn around the reputation. So the first thing that we did was there was a series of orders that he had taken that had never actually shipped to the customer. So what we did was we shipped them the product and refunded them their money for their trouble. This sort of action led to the first of our three main company values. The first value is love the customer. What we mean by that is really majorly three things. The first one is to, when you recommend a product, make sure that you recommend a product that is the lowest cost product that a customer needs. We try and avoid upselling here. We try and make sure that everybody has the product that fits them and not just try and sell as much as we can. As an example of that, our sales team doesn't work on commission. Our second major tenet is an idea we call be biased towards action. And this really is represented by our support team. We want our support team to treat your problem like it's their problem. We want them to be focused on solving it just like it's something that affects them. So if you get a product that is damaged in shipping or just doesn't work the way that you wanted it to, we want our support team to be able to solve that as quickly as possible. And that's really different than a lot of other call centers where you have to go through 8 layers of management to have anything happen. The last major tenet of our love the customer value is to fight against the exploitation of the customer. The security industry is not really very clean. It has a lot of dirty actors that are publishing misleading specs or writing things that just really are not true. And so we try and kind of overload the site with all sorts of information and be able to deliver a quality product that you know really works and exactly is what you want it to do because you have so much information at your fingertips. These three tenets allow our main value of love the customer to really come out and be really visible in the way that we handle your phone calls. And it allows us to create something really unexpected and beautiful in regards to a call center, which is knowledgeable people who are incredibly talented at their field and know everything about the products and who are completely willing to help you with anything that you need to make them work right. Thank you for listening and thank you for helping us make the Inc. 5000.